Okay, so in this one we're at the top of Sao Paulo ruins. We're basically just gonna go down. You can see Grand Lisboa Casino in the distance, and behind me you can see this. So come on back and I'll show you more. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so yep, here we are. So we're gonna just walk straight down that way. It's called, I'll check the street. I think it's called Rua de Sa because we're at Sao Paulo ruins. And yep, there's Grand Lisboa in the distance. There's Bank of China, the one next to it right there. The white building is Pont 16, which is where the ferries used to come in. But now it's like a nice hotel that still kind of marks that. Let's kind of show you what's behind us, which is Sao Paulo ruins, and there's other cool stuff behind us. But usually this would be lit up at nighttime, but tonight at this time it's not. There's also a little Chinese temple back that way too. So but that's also kind of in the dark tonight as well. So let's go on down. There's a fortress up there as well. So that has cannons up there, and that was the highest point in the city at one time. You see a lot of that right there. And we're gonna walk all the way down. So you got apartments to the left. I saw some old images of Macau and there wasn't any apartments. So these haven't always been there, of course. But now they're such a permanent part of the fixture. I always thought it'd be quite amazing if you lived in a place like that. Just looked at Sao Paulo ruins every day. Like, it seems like it might be a little bit boring, but then you can see some apartments like that one is like completely open. It's kind of funny. That one has a beautiful balcony. That has a beautiful balcony too. Those two are amazing. I'd love to be in balconies like that. Okay. So we're gonna keep walking all the way down, and then right now it's there's some tourists around, but at this time of night it's not. It's usually always fewer, no matter what, even when it's quite when like pre-COVID, everything would be just filled with tourists. This building is now a Uniqlo store. It wasn't always a Uniqlo store. It used to be just a colonial building, but now it's all Uniqlo. And you got some cool stuff there. Yeah, people usually be all along the wall. That looks pretty beautiful. So we're just going to keep on strolling down a little bit, and then we'll show you. There's this street right here that goes kind of more. Let's jump out of the way a little bit. A little bit of cobblestone right here. Largo de Campagna de Jesus, right there. And then you can kind of go up the back alley, backside of this. So it's kind of go like that a little bit. There's Sao Paulo ruins. There's a Macau burger place as well. You can see kind of the edge of it. Starbucks right there. And we're gonna kind of show a little bit more. Got some cool stuff all the way there too. If you film it like that, it looks really cool. There we go. So there's Sao Paulo ruins, and we're just gonna go down a little bit more and just kind of show you a little bit more of the street. Yeah, it's kind of cool. So at nighttime it's all lit up. So this is I think it's called Rua de Sa. So we'll just kind of take a look at stuff a little bit. So a lot of people will buy stuff like this. But now it's kind of nighttime, so there's a lot of pharmacies. There's a pharmacy there. Sao Paulo ruins, which is not lit up tonight. Usually it's lit up. Sometimes it'll be like different colors, So like in there's another pharmacy right there too. So sometimes it'll be there's a lot of shoe stores. There's Puma, another shoe store here, Nike. I don't know why there's so many shoe stores. But yeah, so like St. Patrick's Day, they would be all lit up in green, you know, so different themes. So it'd be, you know, major holidays, they'll have different lighting. But today there's nothing. I don't know, I'm not sure why. Baby formula. Okay. A lot of that same meat, so they'll cut that up. So there's more of it right there too. And more. So they'll just cut it and they'll cut it with a pair of scissors. And they'll give it out as well. So anyways, this is Rua de Sa. Let's go down a little bit further. Then we'll conclude shortly. I haven't done that many ones at nighttime, but I know some people like when I'm filming at night. And when I think about it, it is nice and lit up. It looks pretty cool. It's quite common in Asia, so sometimes I kind of forget how cool and unique and special it is. But then I have to remember that not everybody lives in Asia, and not everybody lives in a place with all the neon light either. So. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going all the way down. So yeah, pre-COVID, this whole area would have been quite crowded. But now, not so much. There's a little plaza right here as well. Go down a little bit further. Okay. Pharmacy, another pharmacy right there. So I don't know the reason for all the pharmacies, but there are a lot of them around. There's also a lot of shops like this, but in Nature Republic, they're kind of more like outdoor shopping mall, watch, shop. You also have this kind of stuff too. So we're gonna go down just a little bit further. So this is called Rua de Sa, and I think it changed the name a little bit down here, Rua de Palha, which is that one right there. And then we'll go all the way down to São Domingos as well. So there we go. So yeah, we could keep on going down, but we're gonna end it right there. So now you can kind of see a little bit of this at nighttime. And then it keeps going down to San Malo, but it's 8 minutes already in, so we're gonna end it right there. So that's the end of our video, and that's Rua de Sa, which turns into Rua de Palha. So okay, let's end it there.
Toma cuidado da movidinha.